Laura, you got the compass?
No.
And the map?
No.
Okay, well we're gonna get lost apparently then. All right, so where are we heading there, Chief?
I don't know.
All right, well then you gotta give up the compass if you don't know where we're going.
We gotta open it.
We're practicing shooting an azimuth and using a compass today.
Going south?
No, we're not going south. Remember, as long as we keep the dog in the doghouse, right?
Yeah.
We're heading in the west.
Okay.
So you're gonna look through your little peephole. That's where this road's going, west, right? Because we already set our bearing up here. That's where we're going. There's Foothills Trail through there, which I know will take us to where we're gonna go.
Why are we going to go to the Foothills Trail?
I don't remember marching
that's
through
like
that.
70 miles.
No, we're just do part of the Foothills Trail. We're not gonna hike the whole Foothills Trail, weirdo. But we are gonna take this section of the Foothills Trail because there's cooler things to see this way.
The water's been going on them for a long time, and so that's what makes them smooth. Because we usually walk the pointy, but these are smoother. It's because of the water hitting them.
Blows over them. No, I don't want to go north. That's up the side of a mountain.
Is that why it's north?
I'd rather keep going west.
What if we...
Or Patrick says sometimes west. Merry Christmas. These down here are the Laurel Falls campsites. You see down there. There's one further down. It's a big giant ring one. It's right on top of the falls. So these are some pretty amazing campsites. You gotta go across the cool suspension bridge over there. I don't know if you can see it through the woods right there. And you can drive pretty close to this one, at least during hunting season. I don't know if there's any gates blocking it when it's not hunting season. Or you can just hike the whole Foothills Trail, which is open all year round, and get to it. But I know, it's a rope suspension bridge. That's what happens. It's pretty.
What's that face? I don't know what that face was. Okay, don't go on the face. It's so pretty. Go this way!
Gotta teach you how to filter your own water, bud. In here.
Okay.
So take this.
Yeah.
Dip it in there. Don't look at any dirt in it though. You gotta get out there a little bit.
Wait. Help.
I got you.
Take my compass.
Very carefully. Hold it upstream so that the water will flow into it. The water like that, the water will just flow into it. And dip it all the way into the water. Dip it under the water. And tilt the front of it up a little bit. Like this. Tilt it down. You gotta get it all the way into the water.
High. Okay.
So all the bubbles come out. Ooh, fish is going in there. Go fish.
Where's the fish?
So now you got water.
Where's the fish in there?
You see the little fish trying to give you a cup?
We'll let them. Okay, what are we doing next?
This is dirty water, right? It's not filtered yet.
Yeah.
And here.
Okay.
Okay. Tighten it. And do a little squeeze first to get some of the dirty stuff out. And then we're going to squeeze this into your bottle.
Can I do it?
Sure.
Are I doing that?
Yeah.
Am I done? Good?
Is that enough water for you?
I got some cold new spring water. Yeah.
Whoa. Alright. You get the good look at the Laurel Creek falls. It's gonna be right up here is the best view for it. So there's a big rock crop in here. Right here. Be very careful you don't fall over. Look at that. Yeah, that's a pretty cool waterfall, huh?
Yeah.
Now see, we were just standing on top of it over there. See where the down tree is that you want to climb down on?
Yeah.
That's the tree you were wanting to climb down on over there. So we were up on top of it.
So we're going the right way.
Where are we going? Show me. How you hold it? There you go.
It does go to the doghouse.
It's not in the doghouse all the way.
I don't know why it's not going in the
Because you got to
doghouse.
turn. You're not facing there. You're facing right there. To move the needle, you got to move like that, not like this. So right there is east.
Merry Christmas!
There we go. Cooking sport chops, so crispy stuff. Merry Christmas, everyone.